Introducing DeepRad. DeepRad is a software-defined radio receiver in a modular form factor based on the RTL SDR, a product that many people know and love. A while ago, we had to design a product that had several SDRs in a single board, and we had many issues. Heat problems, RF shielding, getting the components at a fair price. It was not an easy task. So we created a module to make our life easier in future projects and also your life easier. You can create your own motherboards in your desired software. We will provide source files and footprints in KiCad so you can start designing right away. The module have the possibility of using internal or external oscillator. It is a 4-layer PCB with all the shielding elements to avoid RF noise or interference. We will provide the source files of the enclosures that we are designing so you can 3D print them or do it in aluminum CNC. For our Crowdsupply campaign, we are offering 3 versions. The DeepRad Single can be used as a regular SDR, but with a USB-C connector, so you can plug it into your phone and use it anywhere. DeepRad Quad contains 4 SDRs with a shared clock. It has an USB hub integrated, so you can use them with a single USB-C or USB-A cable. The DeepRad Developer Kit has all the components so you can start designing new things right now. It has 6 DeepRad modules, 2 DeepRad Quad motherboards and 4 DeepRad Single motherboards. To get more information or buy one of the versions, you can go to Crowdsupply.